Back with another episode on the Black Sheep Dyna build. This is episode 5. We're going to be doing all the engine assembly today. You've seen the powder coating go down on the last video. Now we're going to be putting together all of the engine components, the rocker boxes, inner primary, swing arm, everything. We're going to dress it all up. So I got Dennis and Jhye on their way here. We're going to have a night in the shop just wrenching away, and let's just jump right into it. I went to Harley yesterday. Definitely always replace the gaskets every time. So I went and picked up all brand new gaskets for the engine parts. I also, while I was at it, I picked up a new oil change, low profile oil change pan. Also got some fork seal rebuild kits, as well as some axle covers front and rear. But we'll get into those on another episode. But we will be putting all new gaskets in. And then you guys seen all the parts get powder coated. Now we're just ready to assemble. I'm just going to get the shop set up, waiting for the boys to arrive, and we're going to start wrenching. Okay, dude, you just want to grab the flux capacitor there?
Yeah. Where's the foofer valve?
We got Jhye back. We're going to do some dressing of the engine, get all the rocker boxes put in. We're going to get the tappet covers, lifters, but we figured we'll just get started. Plugging away. There's a little sneak peek of the 21-inch rim. It's got some film on it on the white wall, but yeah, we're ready to go. And we're using blue medium grade Loctite. Okay, you seen when we did the teardown, we labeled everything nice and neat, exhaust and intake, lifter rods, what's front and back. Okay, a little update on where we're at on the engine assembly. Okay, split cover rocker boxes, polar white and matte black. Did the bolts black, as you can see, looks really good. And then we did the lifter covers black with the center part where the spring goes, that's in white. And then we did black bolts on a white tappet cover. Cam cover, clutch cover, top trans cover, all powder coated. We're just gonna do these bolts white, so the cover can't go on until I get those powder coated. Put the starter in today, got all the wiring done. That's finished, so we're literally ready for our battery box. Installed the, also we got our S&S air cleaner in. I pulled these two bolts out because they were chrome, so I'm gonna powder coat them black. But other than that, it looks really nice. The swing arm is installed, did that, powder coated the cover black. And over here, I got all the inner primary finished. It's all installed, got the belt in. Horns finished, hooked up. That's all completed. So that's pretty much where we're at. This has been sandblasted. I'm waiting on the outer primary. That still hasn't come yet. The original one got all messed up from my last build, if you guys remembered that. So the new one's on its way. And the next step is going to be to powder coat the whole front end, and install the triple trees, the handlebars, get the forks in, and get this tire mounted to see how the whole front end looks. So that's going to be happening next. All right, I'm flying through this build. I did not think it was going to go this fast, but it's really turning out awesome. My brother's been helping a ton. I've had my hands in with Dennis. My dad even gave us a hand at the start. All the parts are going to be here any day. Most of them have trickled in. We're still waiting on a few things like the exhaust, the fender, and some other little details. And then I got to start thinking about painting this bike. So we're going to be doing all that here soon. So once again, just thanks so much for all the amazing comments. There's people from Germany, France, all over the States. It's been really cool to answer some questions for you guys. Thanks so much for the support. I'm going to get this next episode out really quick because tomorrow I'm going to be doing the whole front end powder coating and installing with my brother. So once again, thanks for tuning in, guys. Super stoked, and catch you on the next one.